Today's video, I'll be showing you on how to reset your iPhone camera settings. So let's hop straight into the video. Now, you might be experiencing an issue on your camera iPhone, which is probably why you clicked on this video. Disclaimer, it is not possible to reset your camera settings without resetting your entire device. Now, before you start worrying, when you do reset your iPhone, it won't delete any of your data or media. Now, to reset your camera settings, open the settings icon. Then tap on General. Scroll down till you see Transfer or Reset iPhone and click on that. Then tap on Reset and then reset all settings. Now you'll be asked to enter in your passcode. Once you've done that, hit Reset all settings to confirm that this is what you really would like to do. And this should reset all settings, including but not short of your network setting, keyboard dictionary, location, setting, privacy, Apple Pay cards. Okay, I think that's it. And again, just in case you missed it, you will not lose any of your data in resetting your iPhone. Okay, I think that's everything. If you made it to the end of the video, hope this helped, and I'll see you next time. This is KT Nation, we out.